Welcome back to the Abandoned Project. Today we're checking out some abandoned trains in the California desert. These things are pretty crazy looking. No way. Wow, dude. These are freaking sick. This is super cool. These are double-decker commuter cars. You can go upstairs in them too. Wow. Floors are pretty good shape, a little rusty. Dang. That's super cool. These bench seats too.
What a trip, dude.
Right? This shit's nuts.
That's just sitting here.
Wow. I guess these trains originally came from Chicago and they were gonna be used in Mexico as like a commuter train between Tecate and Tijuana, or so I hear. And they made it here about 5 miles from the border, and this is where they stayed ever since. Wow. They're all super tagged up. What a trip. Really cool. There's 1, 2, this one, yeah, they're pretty long. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I can see. Sear it up. Old fan. This would have been like a latch. It looks like it came down. Like the old circuit board. Yeah, switch. There. Electric system. These aren't that old. They're pretty modern. Wow. All these would have folded down too. Seems there's not a super freaking nasty toilet. Bird's nest.
Some gum.
If you want to know how to get to these, it's really easy. I'll put a link to my other video. This is part of the hike to the Goat Canyon Trestle Bridge, which has a couple different sections of abandoned trains and a bunch of abandoned bridges, a couple of abandoned railroad tunnels. But this section is only like a mile into the hike, so it's super easy to get to. So go check out that video if you want to know exactly how to park and how to get to this spot. Wow. That's kind of sick, actually. Wow. That's old. I'm gonna climb up on this rock here to get a better look. Oh. There they are. Oh man, from the air, this thing looks so sick. It's definitely a mission to get out here, but if you like abandoned stuff, this is about as good as it gets. Super stoked to check this out. So that's gonna be it for this one. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to check out the other video, the Goat Canyon Trestle Hike. We'll hit up a couple more abandoned trains and a bunch of abandoned railroad tunnels and things like that on the next video. Until next time, peace.